Du14. So that's just below this highest point, C7. Please bend your head, Susan, a little bit. And you see this highest point. And below the spinal process, the highest point of C7. And we have this spot. It's Du14. It clears the heat and inflammation.
It's great for night sweats, eye pain, neck pain, epilepsy, anxiety, cold, and cough.
Show us how you press that. And combining pressing, upper lifting your head.
And just look up and look down. Look up, look down, look to the left.
Combining the breathing, abdominal breathing. Good for the neck pain, eye pain, any kind of inflammation related with the heat.